Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create multiple product pages in Shopify. Firstly, from your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize to open the theme editor, and this is where you can design and manage your product page templates. In the top center of the theme editor, click Home dropdown. Select Products, then Create Template. Enter a name for your new product template and choose an existing template to base it on. Now click Create Template and you've created a new product page template, but it's not yet linked to any product. Just go back to your Shopify dashboard, click Products and Add Products. Fill in your product name, description, media, pricing and inventory or category or collection. Then scroll down to the Theme Template section and choose the template name you just created. Then click Save. Now return to the theme editor where you can add a new page and you can also add high-quality product images, include measurements, materials, or ingredients, add reviews, social proof, and guarantees. Also highlight unique selling points or express mentions. When finished, just click Save again. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.